Okay, in the previous video, we just learned how to import the products to the CV file. Now what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to upload this file, because the error what you're going to get, if you just download this CV file and we come across to Shopify and click products, and what we're going to do is we're going to just import these products in. For an example, I'm just going to open up from my download list, from today's download list, and if I upload the Shopify CV file, this is what's going to happen. You're going to get an error, okay? Or some people import the products, not the CVS file, they just upload the normal CVS file and it seems to work. But what's going to happen is that when we import these products, for an example, no photos are going to come across and everything's not going to come across correctly because, see here, now the lounges don't have any photos or nothing like that. So if I look at this now and I view this on the website, just for an example, there's no photos. All the information there, but there's no photos available. So why that is happening is because it's not set up correctly, and that is set up for other type of web-based programs. So what I'm going to do is this, I'm just going to delete these products out now because we don't need them. Oh. Okay, delete, and we're going to go back to our CVS file. So what we want to do now is we're going to edit these up. We're going to add the pricing to everything what we need to do, and we'll have everything ready to go. So the first thing is what we want to do is we want to copy, we want to just click on the SKU, scroll down, and we want to delete everything until the Q area to the handle. So we're going to go all the way from A to Q, and we're going to delete. We're going to delete that whole sector because we don't need that. Once we come across here, scroll